So when we add content to our website, especially say a blog, we want that content to be findable by Google. And of course, who's using Google? Well, it's people. They're going to be typing in queries into the search box, and search results are going to come up. They're going to glance their eyes down the page, and the most mouth-watering ones they're going to click on. So let's just take an example of a post which I wrote the other day. This one about adding notes to your admin section, which is really quite handy actually, as an aside. But if I Google now, just to show how it looks, you can see there's the link, there's the title. A bit of an issue there, I need to sort that out. But notice this bit of text here, how to add notes to your pages or posts. Well, the technique I want to show you here is just how to focus on writing a good opening sentence there, which will work well with Google. Because what can happen is you get so Yoast, that's an interesting Freudian slip, you get so used to just writing the content of the blog post, which is all going to go down here. You forget to concentrate on that initial opening sentence. So by the time you see this, this will have been fleshed out, and hopefully you'll see a strong opening sentence. So the way I'll go about that is I'll go down to the Yoast SEO tool, which is here. I'm not going to worry about that key phrase. We can worry about that another time. Click over to desktop. If I edit the snippet, I'm not going to worry about the title for the moment. We're talking about the description here. So this post, this article, maybe I don't even need that bit. It's about how to use the Yoast SEO plugin on WordPress to, let's just get rid of that bit at the front that doesn't add anything, is it? To help you write a stronger opening sentence. I can't spell. To your blog or website page content. Right. As I'm writing, notice how that green bar is moving across. When it was in orange, it was kind of saying you haven't really got enough there, but it's getting strong. It's getting longer and longer now. It shows I've only got a little bit left, because what we're aiming for is to use the maximum amount of space, but not go over. So where was I getting to? Write a stronger opening sentence to your blog or website content that Google it's not great, but it'll do for a second. I don't want to go over to the orange though. So notice I've gone orange. That means it will definitely get truncated within Google. So let's just see how I think it's only a couple of characters over. How to use the Yoast SEO plugin on WordPress. Well, here we are, here's an easy way to do it. How to use the WordPress SEO plugin. Get rid of those two. There's an extra space there. To help you write a stronger opening sentence on, it's not two. That's right, there we go. How to use the WordPress Yoast SEO plugin to help you write a strong opening sentence on your blog or website page content that Google will love. Well, let's just leave it at that for the moment. So you can see what we've done here. We've been using this meta description field here, and in real time we can see it changing how it's going to look on Google, or at least this is how it would look on Google if Google purely took that content. It doesn't always work that way, but if we start off with this best intention, then we're heading in the right direction. So what you'll do, you'll form a good description here. Try to get the useful keywords in here. This is about, I mean, most of the pages on the site are about WordPress because we're WordPress experts. So I want to make sure we get that keyword in there. And obviously it makes sense to this page because we are talking about the WordPress Yoast SEO plugin. As you saw from our little demo there, we tried to sort of get rid of too many stop words, and I'm sure we can do a better job here as well. However, that'll do for now. Now what I could do, I can grab that sentence and I can drop it on the top as well. And I might even make it bold. Let me save that draft. So that's how you can go about using that title. So there's that how to adding notes to WP admin post we talked about. This is how it appeared in Google. Notice there's that truncation thing, right? If I go to edit the page for that particular post, edit snippet, do you see I've actually put in the correct one? So what's either happened there is either Google haven't picked up I've used that yet. Depends, they should quite frequently re-index your site. Or we've got to bear this simple truth in mind as well, that what we're putting in this field is only a hint to what Google can use. Because if I actually look at the page source, I don't want to melt your mind here, but it's okay, I'm going to read through all this. Yeah, the bit we're looking at is this description. Might be a bit small on the screen, but basically here it says how do I, here in this description bit, it's just saying what we put into the meta description in Yoast. So Yoast has done the right job with putting it into the right field for the website. Google haven't picked it up yet, but they can do other kind. Even if they don't pick it up, if you use this to form what would be a strong candidate, you'll be in a good position to start off your post in a very SEO friendly manner.